Welcome to Learning Lane, where simple questions lead to fascinating answers. Today, let's explore why rivers never flow in straight lines. Have you ever noticed this? Rivers never flow straight, but why? Water always takes the shortest path. So shouldn't rivers flow in straight lines? But nature doesn't work that way. Rivers follow a hidden pattern. As water flows, it erodes land on one side and deposits soil on the other.
The faster water on the outer bend causes erosion, while on the inner bend, the current slows, depositing sediment and building up the bank.
Slowly, these tiny changes grow, and the river begins to bend again and again, until it looks like this, a giant snake flowing across the land. Sometimes, the river cuts through its own bend, creating something incredible, an Oxbow lake. This happens in real rivers, like the Ganga and even the Amazon. So rivers don't flow straight, because the earth itself is shaping their path. Follow Learning Lane for more simple explanations of our world.